Hey everyone, welcome back to Unbox Unveil, your go-to channel for tech and gadgets. Today, we're unboxing the highly anticipated OnePlus NORD CE 3. Let's dive right in. As always, OnePlus keeps the packaging sleek and elegant. Let's take a look inside. Right on top, we've got the star of the show, the OnePlus NORD CE 3. Let's put this beauty aside for a moment and see what else is inside. We've got the usual paperwork, quick start guide and warranty card, protective case, a SIM ejector tool, the signature OnePlus Red USB-C cable, and a SUPERVOOC 80-watt fast charger. OnePlus is generous as always. And here it is, the OnePlus NORD CE 3 in all its glory. Look at that sleek back panel. This is the gray shimmer version, and it looks absolutely stunning. Let's power it up and take a quick look at the software. The NORD CE 3 runs on Oxygen OS based on Android, offering that signature OnePlus smooth experience. Now it's time to set up this beast. First, I'll transfer all my data from my old phone. This process might take a little while. Once that's done, it's time to sign in with your Google account and set up the biometrics for added security. And just like that, you're all set and ready to go. And that wraps up the unboxing and initial setup of the OnePlus NORD CE 3. This phone is packed with features and looks absolutely stunning. I can't wait to explore it further and share my thoughts in the full review. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Unbox Unveil, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay tuned.